How to change Steam download folder location. Firstly, open up Steam, and after that go to the Steam on the top left corner, and after that click on settings, and here you can see downloads option. Click on the downloads, and here you can see Steam library folders. Click on the option, and here you can see the default download drive is C. In order to add another location, simply click on the plus icon and click on this local drive option and click let me choose another location and click on add. And after that, on the upper side you can see program files. Here simply click on the tab, and from here you can choose your drive, your local hard drive, and here create a new folder, then Steam library, click on OK and click on select, and from now on the download folder location will be changed. So this is how you change Steam download folder location on a PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.